Yeah, I definitely think the dyslexia, I now, I mean, I see it as both something that really slows me down and is very hard, but it's also the thing that's opened up a whole world of creative and different approaches. So I definitely see it as helping me get where I am. Like often I couldn't follow things in the same way. So I had to think things through and come up with my own solutions. And my own solutions were sometimes, yeah, just a different path that other people would take. And I think it's that different way of thinking about things and figuring things out on my own has meant I was able to forge a much more sort of novel approach in my work, because I wasn't doing just what everyone else was doing. But I also think the story of my lucky break shows you that you don't have to be good at everything. Like I wasn't the person with the best marks in my exams. But so because that wasn't my strong point, but I was someone who was good at independent thought, and presenting those ideas with sort of passion and enthusiasm. And I'm very grateful that they didn't look for exam-based marks, because actually being a researcher is not about an exam. You never have to take an exam, but it is about the skills that they assessed me on, which was coming up with your own independent ideas, and forging a novel research direction. I do think because we have these sort of systems that work in opposition, we have sort of our prefrontal cortex, this system that's involved in more slow, deliberate thought, potential for inhibition, whereas we do have these fast, reactive, autonomic signals, which aren't always under control. And if we just go with them, sort of get into the zone, I guess it's called sometimes, and follow an instinct, then I also think creative things can come from that process. And sometimes you just get led by those signals, and being able to be in a place where you allow that to happen, whether it's art, whether it's a scientific hypothesis, whether it's a mathematical way to analyze something, I do think that I try to shut off my brain and follow those instincts, and they've served me well.